everybody is aware because it's part of the Act, but there is of course also a central information branch which collects a lot of information from different sources, and this information is collated and passed on to the assessing officers. I would just like to tell you about some of the information which we collect. Lot of information we are collecting, and I also give you the mind-boggling figures. We are collecting information that day. Our computerized system, our business intelligence system is put in place. Our job will be easier, probably your job will also be easier. We collect information other than the AIR cases, which everybody knows. We collect information about the sale and purchase of properties, sale and purchase of motor vehicles, time deposits in cash, payment to hotels, payment for purchase of bank drafts, deposits in cash, foreign travel expenses in cash, the payments made for bonds, shares, all that, and these are the compulsory codes under which we collect the information, and then there are optional codes. So we collect a lot of information, and I will give you the figures which the CNAG has recently compiled. It has also submitted that report before the Parliament, so this is a part of public document also. During financial year 2005, the CIB collected 13.59 lakh pieces of information, and the amount was 4.38 lakh crore. In 2011-12, we collected 11.17 crore pieces of information, and the amount involved was 223.53 lakh crores. In financial year 2004-05, under AIR, we collected 20.08 lakh data, and amount involved was 14.21 lakh crore. In 2012, it increased to 46.61 lakh data, and amount involved was 94.30 lakh crores. What I mean to say is that we are collecting a lot of information. Of course, this much of information through manual means it's impossible to collate and disseminate. But once the system is in place, probably we will be able to make a data bank, create a 360-degree profile of the SSE, and also communicate to the SSE that these are your transactions in case you have forgotten that this is a completed estimate. The department is also, you must be reading also, everybody, nowadays everything is available. The department is also getting a lot of information from foreign countries under that exchange of information agreements with different countries. So all that information is also coming to us. Many times people do take advantage. Ours is an economy where a lot of cash is there. I mean, so, because for various reasons, it's not that the cash is wrong. There is nothing wrong in having cash. But for various reasons, people are not educated. They don't have bank accounts. Perhaps some of them do not even have the address. They cannot even open the bank account. For various reasons, probably, our economy is cash-driven economy. And sometimes some of the taxpayers, not all, I must say that, a very small percentage of taxpayers, they take the advantage that perhaps the tax regulator will not reach each and it's not possible for a tax regulator to reach to each and every person. And as I said, our system has to be non-intrusive and non-adversarial. If it's a non-intrusive system, then probably voluntary compliance is the best way for everyone. It's a win-win situation for everyone. You must have seen, at least I have seen that the businesses probably who had not resorted to unethical means, they have progressed much more in the long run. I'm not talking about the short run. In short run, perhaps they might have grown in 1 or 2 years, but in the long run, only that business grows which is compliant, tax compliant, and otherwise also which is ethical in its approach. And I also feel that if we pay the taxes correctly, it leaves us more, you can say, capital or profit which can be invested and which will further lead to the growth of industries. Sometimes people do say that the lower the taxes, the growth will be higher. I just want to give only one example. Probably the real estate industry has the same rate of tax which any other industry has. Same kind of incentive, 3618, we gave the incentives or other incentives for housing industry. Every year in the budget something or the other comes. But the amount of unaccounted income in the real estate sector is the maximum. So we cannot say that if the tax rate is lower, then probably the industry will grow. There is no such kind of direct relationship. so much about the concern of the government. Government is definitely concerned about the growth of the industry. I just want to briefly tell you what in our own small way we are trying to do in Ludhiana to provide efficient and taxpayer responsive system. We have set up a grievance redressal mechanism in Ludhiana. Every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, all the officers have been directed to set apart from 4 to 5. They are available to meet taxpayers and to hear their grievances. We are also trying to improve the capacity. We have also taken measures for capacity building of our officers to improve their knowledge of computers, to improve their knowledge of taxation matters. Twice in a month, conduct seminars. Mr. Raman Goyal is there to conduct seminars on taxation issues. Mr. Nanavati, he handles all system-related matters, computerization. So we are also trying to improve the capacity of our officers and our staff so that we are in a position to provide better tax services to the taxpayers. CBDT has also set up a technical committee to which the current issues can be referred. And at CCA level, CCA level, for Northwest region it is CCI Chandigarh, we have a small technical committee where all these current issues relating to taxation can be referred, and they are then referred to the CBDT so that the department's view is formalized, and that way we can reduce the litigation also. Finally, I would like to say that Income Tax Department considers itself as a partner or a shareholder in the SSE's business. We are a partner or a shareholder of 10%, 20%, 30%, whatever the tax rate is. And like a true partner and a true shareholder, we want that our company must grow. It must grow, then only our share will increase, then only our dividend will increase, then only our profit in that partnership will increase. And we are taking a lot of steps. As I have said, non-intrusive, non-adversarial is our main aim. And as far as possible, we try to do it. Of course, in all societies, there are some lawbreakers, so department has to take action against those lawbreakers. But our thumb rule is that yes, we will try to be non-intrusive and non-adversarial. Then only we can provide you the effective, efficient and fair administration and a conducive atmosphere for the business. I, on behalf of the department, will request all of you for your cooperation in the matter. Let there be only a win-win situation where industry also grows, the department also grows, and the society also grows. Thank you very much.